Imagine saving hours every week with tools you've never even heard of. Today I'm revealing 5 free AI tools I wish I discovered sooner, because once you try them, there's no going back. A few months ago, my workflow was a disaster. Too many tabs, too much manual work, and not enough time. Then, by accident, I stumbled onto a tool that automated an entire task I'd been doing manually for years. That moment sent me down a rabbit hole of AI tools that instantly make life easier. And after testing dozens, these are the 5 game-changing tools I wish I knew way earlier. The first tool is Tango. If you've ever spent 30 minutes explaining how to do a process step by step, this tool will blow your mind. Tango automatically records your screen and turns every click into a clean, shareable tutorial, complete with screenshots and captions. It literally builds documentation for you. If I had this in school or at work, I would have saved hundreds of hours. Next is Grammarly AI Rewrite. Yes, Grammarly is popular, but most people don't know the AI Rewrite tool can turn rough, messy notes into polished writing in seconds. Emails, reports, descriptions, done. The best part? It keeps your tone, but makes you sound 10 times smarter. Tool number 3 is YoupDF AI OCR, and this one feels unfair. Take any screenshot, photo, or scanned document, upload it, and it extracts everything into editable text instantly. No more retyping, no more copy-paste nightmares. If you're a student, freelancer, or researcher, this tool is a lifesaver. Fourth is Descript's free editor. This is the tool YouTubers wish they found earlier. You can edit videos simply by editing the transcript, like a Google Doc. Remove filler words, delete silence, cut awkward parts, all automatically. It's perfect for faceless creators, podcast editors, or anyone who hates complex editing software. And finally, the most powerful free tool on this list, Zapier Free Automations. You can automate tasks like saving email attachments to Google Drive, posting content automatically, converting files, sending reminders, and syncing data between apps. Once I connected just 3 automations, I saved an estimated 12 hours every single week. This is like hiring a digital assistant for free. When I finally switched to these tools, my workflow changed permanently. Less time wasted, more time creating. And the crazy part? Most people still don't know these tools exist. If you want more AI tools that save you time, boost productivity, and feel like cheat codes, make sure to subscribe. And comment which tool you want a full tutorial on. I read every reply.